Hello and welcome to the video lecture associated with conditional expressions. In this case, using the case syntax. Now, case is associated with Oracle. I don't use Oracle during this course because I'm going to make the assumption that you don't have Oracle installed on your computer. But there is an associated function in Microsoft Access that we are going to use. So, suffice to say that conditional expressions will allow the SQL writer to do a test and then show some kind of expression based on the result of that test. So in this case, you can see the case expression. So case is followed by some kind of an expression that's going to be tested. And then what happens is there's a when clause. So when the expression is equal to something, it does whatever is in the then clause. And this can cascade. So when tests an expression. If that's true, it does the then. If it doesn't, it looks to see if there's another when. And it'll continue to do that until it gets to an optional else clause. And then it ends. So, in this case, what we're going to use is the Microsoft Access function. And the Microsoft Access function is what's known as the big if, the IIF function. So with this, what we can do is we use the IIF, which tests a condition. If that condition is true, the next argument that gets passed in. So this is a function. It's going to get passed 3 arguments. So if the condition is tested to true, then whatever we send in as the second argument gets returned. If that condition evaluates to false, then the third argument that we pass in is returned. Works very, very similarly to the case statement. It's just a little bit more interesting to do multiple tests. So I'm going to do that in the video lecture where I actually implement the big if or conditional expressions. So I will do that in a different video lecture. So this ends this video lecture.